How to send stickers in iPhone text message. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to make your conversation fun by sending in stickers? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your messages app, go to the conversation, and then you can see plus icon in the bottom left. Just tap on it, and then you can see stickers. Just click on that, and now you can send any stickers of your choice. You can swipe to the left and you can view there are many stickers to choose from. Just tap on it and then hit the arrow icon to send it. It's as simple as that. If you want to add more stickers, then you can go to the plus icon and then you can make your own stickers as well. You can make your avatar. So this is how it works. Uh, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.